My name is Micah Truax, and my associate Ralphie is no longer with me. He's next door at the neighbor's. And today we have a very exciting story being reported by, I forgot who our reporter is. Micah Truax could probably do it though, so we'll just have him do it. The story he will be reporting is, I don't know. I think he would be better suited to tell you about it. And to him. Hello, I am Micah Truax. He never gets my name right. And today we have a very exciting story. You see the garage door behind me? Well, when you press the button, it doesn't open. And unfortunately, this is happening to only this garage door right now, and we want it to happen to all the garage doors. So please, spread the word, and make sure that your garage door does this. Thank you. Back to you, Micah. We've just received breaking news. Apparently, there's a weather channel with only one man, and they have been reporting false news. This is unright. This man needs to be brought to justice. Of course, we are a completely legitimate news source, and there's no reason to not believe our totally reliable news sources. Anyways, continue with the news program. And remember, our news is 100% reliable. Okay, it hurts me to lie to people like that, but you gotta do it. Alright, well, that was a very interesting story. Now, we go on to the weather. Our weather reporter is absent today, and so I will fill in. Let me get over there. Hello, I am Micah Truax, filling in for weather reporter Micah Trio, and are you kidding? Hello, I am. Wait, I don't have to redo the intro? Okay. Anyways, for weather today, well, apparently Mick Trio always keeps the weather board with him, so we're missing that. But I will gesture anyways. Today will be hot probably because it's summer, and then that will continue the rest of the week with hotness. There probably won't be clouds, but there could be. And that's it for the weather. Back to you, Micah. Alright, well, that was an interesting experience. Thank you for watching the news this morning, and please continue to watch it. And it's actually afternoon, but thanks for watching the news anyways. Please make sure to like this video, subscribe, and share with your friends. That's right. You do have friends. And we're out. Peace. I have just been told that we have to redo the entire thing because cameraman number 7 was not filming. And so, even though we already have 6 perfectly good shots, we need 7 because, you know, that makes sense. So, without further ado, good morning, America. My name is Micah Truax, and frankly, that's all for the news. We're done. No news, no weather, nothing. Are you kidding? That's it for the news. We're done. No news, no weather, nothing. This week is over. And we're out. We're out.